This is FearlessMods, and that's a fly. This is my Trans Am. If you haven't seen this previously, then you haven't been watching for the last 5 years. I'm Biff Henderson, and this is FearlessMods. If you like a channel that has to do with car rebuilds, screw-ups, general maintenance, racing, horsepower gains, you've come to the right place.
Man, let's go get this thing on the dyno and rip some horsepowers out the back end.
My whole philosophy with this channel is to show people that Joe Citizen can do whatever maintenance he needs to do to his car and doesn't have to take it to the dealer. We also like to show it from the perspective of a garage mechanic that doesn't always have all the tools that he or she needs to get the job done.
3/8 Allen wrench just fit perfectly in there.
We do have some newer pieces of equipment, so we can give a little more in-depth insight to all of you as to what's going on. B is that ignition control signal. If you like this and you like what we do, please reach down there, like and subscribe. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. We'll catch you again real soon. Take care.